How to change location on Instagram account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change location on Instagram account. First of all, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Here, tap on your profile icon. Go to menu on the top right. Then select settings. Scroll down and go to preferences. Now tap on switch to professional account. Tap on continue. Select a category that best suits you. Also, enable display on profile. Tap on done. From the page that opens, select whether you are a business or creator. Select done. Next step is to select a country. After doing so, tap on business address. Here, add city or town. Next step is to update street address and postal code. Hit the done button. After this, go to web browser. Then search for NordVPN. Here, go to its web page. This is how you can change location on Instagram account. One of the best ways to change your location on your phone is to use a good VPN. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out.